Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to sine t, because if I put this one goal here, we have 1 minus sine t square. 1 minus sine t square, that is about cosine t square. And later that we simplify the square root and dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equal to cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. Dx we change for this one. So this one, that is about cosine t square. The square root of this one, that is about cosine t. Later that we need to simplify cosine t, cosine t. Next, I will put about 1 over cosine t square on numerator and the denominator. So this one multiplied by this one and this one. So we have the formula. This one, that is about secant of t square. This one, that is about secant of t square. This one, that is about tan t square plus 1. Oh sorry, tan t square. This one, that is about tan t square plus 1. So in this one and this one, we have number 2. Now we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. And now we can use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over the square root of number 2 tan z. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 over number 2 tan z square. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel. Tan z square plus 1 we change for secant of z square, and later that we simplify this one. The u, that is about number 1 over the square root of number 2 secant of z square dz. So I will put this one gone here. Du, that is about this one. So this one, that is about 1 over 2 tan z square. So we got tan z square. And this one, that is about secant of z square. Now we got this one, and we have the final answer. about z, that is about this one. So we put this one go to the left. And we got z equals to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for z. About u, that is about tan t. About t, that is about this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.